Welcome. Today you'll learn how to create multiple invite links for your Telegram group using the latest update on the Telegram app for PC. This is a powerful way to manage your group, track where new members are coming from, and keep your community organized. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and have admin privileges for the group where you want to create the links. Next, find your group in the chat list and click to open it. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings. Now, look for the section labeled Invite Links. Click on it, and you'll see all the current invite links for your group. To create a new one, click Create a New Link. Here, you can set specific options, like naming the link or limiting how many people can use it, or how long it's valid. These options are great if you want to control access or track where your members are coming from. Once you've set your preferences, click Create, and then Done. Your new invite link will appear in the list, ready to be copied and shared wherever you need. If you want to make another link, just repeat the process. Click Create a New Link, choose your settings, then click Create and Done. You can make as many unique links as you need for different platforms, events, or team members. This helps you manage your group's growth and see which links are most effective. That's all it takes. With these steps, you can easily generate multiple invite links for your Telegram group, giving you more control and flexibility than ever before. Try it out and see how it can help you grow and organize your community more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and good luck managing your Telegram group.